In this video, I would like to show you how to use the ESP-ASP module to flash a bootloader onto the 328PU IC. Now you have some basic requirements for doing this. One is you will have to download a program which can install the required ESP drivers for the ESP-ASP programmer module. Then you have to download a program which will do the actual job of flashing the bootloader file you provide to it. Okay? And that bootloader file also you will have to download. That is actually OptiBoot bootloader. So for all these three download requirements, the links are available in description. Then of course we will connect USB-ASP programmer and install the actual libUSB Win32 driver. See, there are a lot of suggestions, different suggestions for which driver to use. I have used this libUSB Win32 driver. I have installed this particular driver with the help of the ZA-Dig 2.5 program. So this is the Arduino Uno. This is the programmer board. This is called USB-ASP. The important thing is here there is a jumper for 5 volts. So it is connected on this way. Other jumpers are not relevant. The connector pin 1 is marked here. This one is pin 1, the green color one we are seeing. So you should make sure these connections are proper. The connection diagram is given later in the video. Okay, you must double check because most of the problems with the flashing program will be related to wrong connections. Okay, so these are terminated on the ISP connector of the Arduino Uno. That's all. There is not much to see here. You can see. Okay, I have connected this programmer board to one USB port. Then I have connected Arduino Uno to another USB port. You should note that 5 volts is not connected between these two. I am skipping that. There is no need because both are having their own 5 volts. Now I am connecting the programmer module to USB port. Windows says installing driver. You can see that programmer is under other devices as USB-ASP. Windows 7 could not find any driver. Let me show you what happens if you run the flashing program at this stage. The Atmega 328P was already selected, but program ISP icon is disabled or not active. Because there was no proper driver, it could not recognize it. Now we will run ZA-Dig program to install USB drivers for the USB-ASP module. Since the module is already connected, it shows USB-ASP here. In case it does not show USB-ASP, go to Options and select List All Devices and then choose the USB-ASP. Now select which driver you want to install. I want to install libUSB Win32 driver. Lot of people advised WinUSB driver to be installed, but it did not work for me. I am going to use only libUSB Win32. Click on Install Driver. So this program says not responding, takes time. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the USB module in case it doesn't respond quickly. Now the driver is installed. Now check in Device Manager. It is listed as libUSB Win32 devices. Now the flashing program must recognize the module. Can you see that the program icon here is now activated? Okay. Now what I will do is, I will not select any flash file. I'll deselect this program flash. I don't want it to do any programming. It will chip erase. Okay. Now I'm going to say auto. So it is doing something, blank checking. It has erased the existing bootloader in the 328P IC completely. Now it says ready. Tools. Board is Arduino Uno. Port is COM3. Now just like that, let us see what happens if I say burn bootloader. It says some error that it is not working with Arduino. Okay. Now I want to actually upload this Blink program. See, I am uploading this Blink program. It says compiling sketch. So it says uploading. It is not able to do it. So it says error. Okay, second time I tried, it says error. Let me try once more. It says error. Okay. Now this is so because I erased the flash. Okay. Now I'll load OptiBoot Atmega 328 hex. Okay. So the hex file I have provided. Now I'll say auto. Program not found. I have disconnected it. Sorry. Now program is available. Program flash option needs to be selected. Then I'll say load flash and select the boot file already available at megahex. Okay. Then say auto. That is doing blank checking. It is programming the flash with whatever hex file I provided. It says verifying flash to that Mega 3D8P. Okay, now it says ready, so it is done. Now that bootloader is uploaded successfully, let me check whether my Arduino is able to transfer program to the Arduino Uno. Done uploading. See, it has done uploading. That is how you can. This is the circuit connections for connecting USB-ASP module to Arduino Uno. I am assuming on Arduino Uno you are having a 328P IC onto which you want to flash the bootloader. On the left side you have the USB-ASP pin connections. Okay. On the right side you have the ISP pin connections for Arduino Uno. Okay, you can make one-to-one connections for MISO, MOSI, SCK, RST and ground. There is no need to connect VCC. As far as the USB-ASP is concerned, that module is concerned, you will be connecting directly to any USB port anyway. So it will have the 5 volts power supply. Then to the Arduino anyway, Arduino also you are going to connect to a separate USB port. So it will have its own 5 volts supply. So there is no need to connect the 5 volts VCC pins in between these two. Now what you are seeing here is a minimal Arduino on breadboard. So in case you do not want to use Arduino Uno to flash a bootloader onto a 328PU IC, you can use this configuration of minimal Arduino on breadboard. Okay, in case you want more details, you can see my how to make Arduino on breadboard video. In such a case, these are the pin numbers on the 328P IC. On the left side, I have given pin configuration of the connector on the USB ASP module. On the right side, I had given the IC 328P, and in white color I marked the required pin numbers and the pins like RST, ground, SCK, MISO and MOSI. You can use these pin connections to make it. Here also there is no need for connecting VCC in between these two modules, because you will be connecting USB ASP to directly one USB port, and then on the breadboard, when you make a minimal Arduino on the breadboard, you will have your own power supply. So in this video I tried to demonstrate how to use the USB ASP programmer module to download or flash a bootloader program to a 328P IC. So thank you very much for watching the video. I have done this in response to a request in the comments of one of my videos.